with the one and only. What's up, Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know what I'm going to title this vlog. Kakagising ko lang. Tapos, oh my gosh, 9:30 lang. Usually, nagigising na ako 11 or 12. Natutulog ako mga 2-3 na. And it's because of my Quad M addiction. Tsaka kasi, nahihirapan na talaga ako matulog. Parang ewan ko. Kasi parang ang dami iniisip ang utak ko. So, ang hirap talaga matulog. But anyways, today, mag-vlog ako kasi iniisip ko, ang dami ko dapat vlog ngayong summer vacation ko kasi ang daming nangyayari. This is my last summer vacation, by the way, before college. So, I definitely feel like I should be making the most out of this summer vacay. Parang ano lang, every year after. Kapag nanonood ako ng mga ganong rom-coms, makakaisip ako, kailan kaya ako pagkaka-boyfriend? Siguro next week. So, nanggaling ng Laguna yung outing sa church. I didn't join this year because let me enjoy my oob as my breakfast. Ooh! There's spaghetti! Spaghetti! I'm gonna eat that first. Spaghetti with lots of sauce and hot dogs. My favorite. And Kay's making something. She's washing fish. Muta? I don't know. Fish. Tapos ginaganda niya yung fish. Akala ko lumpia wrapper yan kanina na nilagyan niya ng seasoning. It's fish. You're an idiot. Alright, let's eat my spaghetti. Tignan niyo naman yung binigay na spaghetti sa akin ni Lola. Grabe. Akala ko ina-expect niya kakainin ko lahat. Parang tinitignan ko ba? Busog na. Tignan nyo, kalahati lang yung kaya kong kainin dito. I love spaghetti with lots of hot dogs. Kahit ano pong macaroni pasta to, spaghetti pa rin siya sa utak ko. Miriraula. Ikwento mo yung significant meaning niyan sa ating pagiging sister. Pag may kailangan ako, kukunin niya. Bago niya ibigay sa akin, papakantahin niya muna ako ng Miriraula, ibarat yung mga sis. Tapos didilaan niya ako. Kadiri. Okay. Shout out mamaya ulit, ha? No, tama na to eh. Kiss. Kain pa ako. Ayoko. Shh. Oh. Ate. Baby. Visit. Hi guys! So watch me, magpapadaya ko na ako ng TNT ko. Game na lang. Tapos Hades after nito. So TNT na lang. Tapos Hades. Wala palang audio kapag nag-record. What the fuck is this movement for?
Tango down. Hostiles capture the Harvey. Hardpoint is ours. Hostiles down.
Bro! Ah!
Changing max. Hardpoint locked down. Enemy down. Hardpoint contested.
Wala ko na naman.
Recon standby. UAV recon. Enemy down. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles capture the hardpoint.
Umambon pa. Aalis kami ni Lola mamaya. So, Grade ube. May, parang ang happy ng dila ako sa kain ng ube, pero okay lang. Kaligo na ako and I'm wearing this tight black shirt because I'm getting my new college uniform altered because the blouse that we bought is a size bigger. Pag medium yung binili kong uniform, above the knee sa akin yung skirt. Pero kapag large, sakto lang yung skirt sa akin. So I went with the longer skirt para yung ipapa-alter yung blouse. Ayun naman yung parati kong problema sa uniforms. Kaya nung grade 9 and 10 ako, inis na inis ako sa uniform ko kasi hindi na namin pina-alter. And it looks so big on me because it's so big on me. So kapag ganito, after ko manigo, di ba naggaganto ako, self-care ako sa desk ko, sa study table ko. Tapos napaisip ako, if this room, kung akin lang tong room na to, paano ko i-layout yung room ko? I've always imagined my room, this bunk bed will be over there sa other side, and then my desk will still be here. Tapos meron ako isa pang parang vanity mirror / table doon. Para doon ako magsi-self-care. Ito, yung baba nito, parang cabinets lang, mga damit ko, ganun. May altar ako sa gilid, dito sa tapat ng window. And then, I recently had a new hobby nga, 'di ba, yung pagpapiano. Naging hobby ko na siya nung pandemic, pero hindi ko pinagpatuloy kasi parang nung pandemic, wala akong napapala sa pag-organ ko. So, ayun, paisip ako, kung akin lang tong kwartong to, saan ko ilalagay yung organ para kapag gusto ko mag-organ, I'll just turn it on and no longer have to set it up pa. Pero yun nga, since hindi naman talaga ako ganun ka piano-wisteristic, kahit hindi naman talaga, kahit wala naman sa room ko ganun, okay lang. Tsaka parang hindi ko talaga makakonsider yung sarili ko na nagpa-piano kasi I only live off of YouTube videos and YouTube tutorials on how to play the chords. I don't really know by muscle memory or kung ano man yung mga kanta. Kapag vlog, ginugupitan kanina si Lola, nagpagupit na siya. Wala lang, video ko lang.
Kaya alam mo kung anong sisigarin ko ng mama mo.
Opo, opo.
Nalimutan ko lang.
3/4 lang yan. 3/4 lang. 3/4 lang. Nakakita kasi inutusan kami ni mama. Ayun si Lola. Sabi ko siya yung mag-listo kasi baka makidnap siya.
Pasok ko na si Lola para hindi na siya makita.
Naiwan ni Lola yung payon. Sabi nila namin ang saging. Ayan siya. Babalikan ko. Dito kami sa McDo. Lola, nakinalmot yung sarili parang baby. Hi, smile! Smile! Hi, vlog! It's me. The Plants vs. Zombies. Hi! Para! Para! Ano yun? What the heck, Ming? Alright guys, I'm here in Ate and Jig's room with my hobby. If you're wondering bakit ganito yung lightning sa kwarto ni Ate and Jig. Kasi wala silang ilaw. That thing is broken. And we don't have money to hire an electrician now. So,
Hindi walang money. Wala silang mahanap na electrician.
it's easy. If we're rich, we can have an electrician right at this second. We ain't rich. I'm gonna sing Baby. Now that I found you, I can't let you.
Bubuwa mo, didilaan ko.
Ayaw ni Ate Ajig sa kantang yun. Kasi, ilang linggo ko na yun pina-practice. So,
Hindi pa rin niya nagagawa.
all I wanna do is use Lolai's tablet. Pero,
Lobat.
no. But this is what greets me.
Hindi siya nagpalagay niya. Maganda daw kasi siya dyan.
Lolai. Yeah.
And then I'll show you how it fits together. So we're going to play A flat major. So it's A flat, C, and E flat.
Ni Ming tsaka ni Tay, aralin ko daw yung Bohemian Rhapsody. I'm not that amazing. So, hindi ko naman talaga naaral. Ito lang yung naintindihan ko sa YouTube tutorial na pinanood.
Apparently, no one cares.
See? That's why I vlog. To talk to myself. Because apparently...
No one cares.
Hey! Kita yun sa vlog ko. Kita yun. I don't care. That's all I learned. Okay, now back to learning night changes. Hey, don't have to be that violent.
A flat.
Okay.
Reset! Pwede ano pa patay sa ano? Sa tumatalon.
Yung malaking potato. Kapag natapakan na niya yung malaking potato, normal na ulit siya. O kaya magnet shroom.
Yeah, magnet.
Listen to this again. Proud na proud ako dito eh. Kahit ito lang yung naaral ko. Mamay, I'm vlogging.
These chords down.
Really?
Now.
Okay. Got you, Ming. Don't worry. I'm here for you.
Hala! Chula.
Brains. Kaliwat kanan. Kaliwat kanan. But I'm still the best. I'm the best. So that is it for this vlog, guys. Straight body break. That is it for this vlog, guys. I'm ending this day by eating oob. The best. Tomorrow is Kimi's 18th birthday. So, of course, pupunta kami doon. And I'm very excited because I'm going to see my friends once again. This is probably one of the last times that we will see each other before we all head to college. My classes are gonna start soon. Some of my classmates, their classes are gonna start sa August pa. So, mas matagal yung vacay nila kumpara sa iba. So that is it for this vlog. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And remember, by the way, yung jar ko ng mga verses, nakakalimutan ko siyang gamitin sa vlogs ko. Kasi yung outros ko kung san-san eh. So, and remember, amazing things come to those who wait. Bye!